How to adjust photo tint on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, open up the Gallery app. Next in here, tap on Pictures tab, and then we scroll down and open up a picture. Then tap on the Edit button. And from here, swipe across. So down here at the bottom, tap on the tone button first, and then at the top, we're going to swipe across and tap on tint. Then we can drag on the slider bar here and swipe it to the left or to the right to adjust your tint color. So here, if I drag it more to the left, you can see it adds in more green color. If I move it to the right, it adds in a warmer pinkish color. And that's it. After you have made the adjustment, tap on the Save button to save the changes. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.